guys, it's Erin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought we would do a little plan with me in my Happy Planner Classic. Alright, so I am going to do this layout even though we are already into the week, but I need to use this layout for some tracking of some things. But I just want to mention this will be my second week in my Wrong Happy Planner Mini, and what I did was I took May and June from this planner and I added it to this one just because I could not wait until July to start this. So I may end up doing the same thing with my Classic. So I'm going to get started on this and start to lay down some stickers, and I'm going to leave the lemons this time, this little easy peasy lemon squeezy, and make the best of it because I just get kind of tired of always covering it up with washi tape, and then I feel like whatever washi tape you put down, that kind of dictates the color scheme and the layout for you. So I'm going to try and make the best of this, and I'm going to use a lucky dip system, and I just grabbed some random sticker books from my baskets, and I'm just going to make the best of it and see how it turns out. So I'm going to get started now on the stickers. So here's how my layout turned out. I like it. I like the black and yellow. I think that it's, I don't know, it's just really bright and vibrant. And although it's not lemony per se, I still think that it makes the most of the background that's already printed on the pages. So what I'm going to do now is add some notes, and then I'll be back. When you say we stay together now until forever, just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, yeah. But we let each other down, yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, yeah. This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us when we caught them? We weren't supposed to break up. It's too late to make up. Better than all of the others. Just us. Said we wouldn't let things come between us. Let love rule, not be us. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, yeah. Yeah, we let each other down. But we let each other down, yeah. Yeah, we let each other down. So here's how the layout turned out with my notes, and like I do every week, I'll just go back in and add things as the week goes on, but I like to jot down a few things that I'm sure about ahead of time. And I didn't even realize my shirt today matches my layout, so lots of black and white and yellow. So all right, let me zoom in. Work on Monday 7:30 to 4. This sticker here, this little background sticker that I layered, I thought that was lemons, and then I looked closer, of course, when I went to use it, and I realized it was little rosettes, so that's still super cute. Here my to-dos are P.O. box. I need to open a new P.O. box again. Video of some budget stickers that I received. I'm really excited to open those up for you guys and use those hopefully in my next layout, but I'll definitely be showing what they look like. I had a person reach out to me and ask me if she could send me some samples from her shop, so I'll be sharing all that info and good stuff with you guys when I do the video. John is power washing our deck this week because we're having a big cookout the first weekend of June, or second weekend of June. So we're trying to prep some things. Cleaning out closet and purging of clothes. So that's something that's been ongoing. I started with my drawers, and I started with some things that were in other closets in our house, and I'm trying to get everything in one place and finally finished, so I don't have to worry about this kind of thing all summer long. I find that when I procrastinate stuff and it just drags on and on and on, it really ruins my free time. And every time I have a moment of downtime, I think, well, I should be doing this. And then I have this guilty association with not being productive, and it ruins it. So I just need to finally get things done, power through it until it's finished. And that way, when I do have some free time, it's not ruined by thinking that I should be doing something more productive. Work at home from Tuesday. It's a writing day. I have 2 of those this week. I have some serious writing to get done for work, so I'm going to be doing that. Breakfast with Mom. Stella has a vet appointment at 2:30. It's a follow-up to some blood work that she had done when our little dog Thena went in. Stella and Thena went in at the same time. Stella has skin issues, but on top of that is an added bonus for the poor thing. She also hurt her arm, so she's been favoring it and limping and lifting that leg for 4 days now. So we finally got her an appointment, and she's going to be getting an x-ray. So it's always something. Stop at the bank, and I used this sticker just because her dress kind of matched the theme. The illustration doesn't really match the theme, but the color of her dress did. This is one of the gold foil butterflies from the Walmart sticker books, from, what are they called, Pen and Gear. So I got it out of one of these that I used from Walmart. And Wednesday work 7:30 to 4. Thursday is my second work from home day this week, and again, it is strictly for writing. And I have to mail a package that I've been putting off, and then just some stickers here. One says "Do more of what makes you awesome," and although this sticker didn't really match, I just thought it was a nice little offset, so I layered that. And then Friday is payday. I need to upload a weekly budget video. My to-dos include grocery shopping, laundry, and deck furniture. So that goes along with this note. To deep clean all the deck and patio furniture, we need to get that just finished and out of the way. And then Sunday church and brunch with Mom. A long weekend because I have the following Monday off at work for Memorial Day. And then Sunday, I'm still going to prep my 5 outfits for the work week, except I actually need to change that to a 4 because I don't have to work on Monday. So that's everything. That's my week at a glance. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be back very soon to give you some updates on how I'm using the wrong. Of course, like I said in the beginning, it's going to be, a lot of the same layout that I had in my previous year's planner, my mini, but once I get into July, that starts the new artwork and the new layout and spread. So that's everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Take care.